Hi friends, today we are going to crochet this beautiful rose. Before that, if you like to shop this finished product, you can shop it from my Etsy shop. Link is given below in the description too. Okay, let's move ahead. First, make a slip knot. Okay, now chain 28. You may have to chain 28 times. Okay, now we have 28 chains. Now skip 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and start from the 4th chain from the hook. Start from the 4th chain from the hook. You must 1 double crochet for that 4th chain. 1 double crochet. Okay, now chain 1, we count this chain 3 as a stitch 2. Now chain 1 and skip 1 chain of our foundation chain and 2 double crochet for next chain. Skip 1 and 2 double crochet for next chain. 1 and 2. Okay, again chain 1, skip 1 chain of the foundation chain and next 2 double crochet for the same chain. 1 and 2. Repeat this pattern till the end of our chain. Okay, now we are at the end of our chain and we are going to chain 1, skip 1 and 2 double crochet for the last chain. One and 2. Okay, now we finished our first row. Now count and check whether you have properly crochet that row. Okay, now chain 1 and turn your work. Okay, now you are going to work in the wrong side. This is the wrong side. This is the correct side and this is the wrong side. Now 6 double crochet to the space between 2 double crochet of your previous row. 1 and 2. Now insert hook to that space and work 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Now insert hook to the chain 1 space of the previous row. You can see chain 1 space here. Insert hook and slip stitch for that space. 1 slip stitch. Okay. Now again 6 double crochet for that space between 2 double crochet here. Okay, we must repeat this pattern for 5 times. That means we made 2. These are petals of our rose. We made 2 petals. We have to make another 3 petals of 6 double crochet. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now we made 4 petals like this. We are going to make the last petal, slip stitch and 6 double crochet for 2 double crochet space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we must have 5 petals. Okay, now again slip stitch to the chain 1 space of previous row, slip stitch. Okay, now work 5 double crochet for next 2 double crochet space. 5 double crochet. Earlier we did 6 double crochet. Now 5 double crochet. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, our this petal has 5 double crochet. We must have petals like this, 5 petals like this. 1, and we are going to make another 4 petals of 5 double crochet. Repeat the pattern. This is our last petal of 5 double crochet. Okay, now we are going to make a petal of 4 double crochet. Slip stitch to the chain 1 space, and to the double crochet space make 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now slip stitch and again 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, we must have 2 petals of 4 double crochet, 5 petals of 6 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 petals of 5 double crochet, 5 petals of 5 double crochet, and 2 petals of 4 double crochet. Okay, now we are going to make our last petal. Okay, slip stitch again to the space and work 4 double crochet for next space. 3 double crochet. Work 3 double crochet for next space. 1, 2, 3. Only 3 double crochet for our last petal. Okay, we finished making petals of our rose. Now chain 1 and slip stitch to the same space. Okay, now cut the yarn, leaving a tail to see you. Okay, cut here and take a tapestry needle. Okay, now you may see this is the wrong side and this is the right side. You must start from the corner where your yarn and needle has joined and roll it like this, making it to a shape of a rose. Gradually make it now tighten the yarn. Make sure all layers, make sure to pass your needle through all layers. Okay, like this. Now tighten the other end of our yarn too. Okay, now we are going to cut the excess part and we made our rose. See you again. Have a nice day.